Rudraksh with Sphatik Mala. This Divya Rudraksha and Sphatik Mala combines the divine power of five Mukhi Rudraksha beads, symbol of Lord Shiva, with the cooling, calming energy of Sphatik, quartz crystal beads. This alternating arrangement of Rudraksha and Sphatik makes the mala a powerful spiritual accessory that balances energy, protects from negativity, and enhances meditation. The Divya Rudraksha and Sphatik Mala is a divine union of Shiva's energy and the healing vibrations of Sphatik. It is more than a mala, it is a source of protection, peace, prosperity, and spiritual elevation. Whether worn daily or used during prayers, this mala radiates positivity and uplifts every aspect of life. Benefits of Panchmukhi Rudraksh: brings physical and mental balance, aids in meditation and spiritual growth, shields against negativity and cleanses aura, boost confidence, focus, and clarity, helps with stress, hypertension, acidity, and heart issues, brings harmony and reduces afflictions of Jupiter. Benefits of Sphatic quartz crystal: keeps body cool and calms the mind, enhances concentration and focus, balances energy chakras during mantra chanting, attracts peace, harmony, and prosperity. Used for Lakshmi Prapti, wealth gain, and Rog Nivaran, healing. Provides protection from negative energies. Combined power of Divya Rudraksha and Sphatik Mala balances heat and coolness in the body, shields against negativity while attracting positivity, perfect for spiritual practices and meditation, promotes peace, prosperity, and well being. What is the use of Rudraksh with Sphatik Mala? Sphatik, also called as quartz crystal, is a power stone. It enhances energy by absorbing, storing, amplifying, balancing, focusing, and transmitting. Sphatik malas are also used as prayer or rosary beads and they cool the body and calm the mind. Can we wear Rudraksh with Sphatik mala? With your process of wearing Sphatik mala is simple. You can wear it on Friday, but before wearing it, it's recommended to keep it in cow's milk. Can ladies wear Rudraksh with Sphatik Mala? Sphatik Mala is advised for women, girls, yoginis, women, ladies because it represents Mother Goddess. The divine energy in Sphatik Mala beads has healing, uplifting, and purifying properties. Can we eat non-veg after wearing Rudraksh with Sphatik Mala? While going to attend rituals of a newborn baby or the rituals after cremation, it should not be worn as it is said to having a power of generating great inner energy inside a person and this may be proved inappropriate in such cases. Non-veg should be avoided. Are there any side effects of wearing Rudraksh Sphatik Mala? There are absolutely no side effects of wearing Sphatik Mala. Rudraksh and Sphatik Mala wearing rules. Vidhi or process of wearing Sphatik Mala is simple. You can wear it on Friday, but before wearing it, it's recommended to keep it in cow's milk. When you wake up on Friday morning after bathing and doing your chores, keep the mala in cow's milk and in the evening take mala to nearest temple of Mother Divine and touch this Sphatik mala to Mother Divine's feet. Now you can wear this mala around your neck. A lot of people who are experiencing health problems such as asthma, they are told that in your horoscope or kundli, your Chandra, moon is weak. If this is the case and your Chandrama is weak and your heartbeat is often slightly faster than normal, and you experience hiccups, then Sphatik mala can be worn by you. Can we wear a mala during night while sleeping? There is one important precaution. If you are married, no matter what mala you are wearing, be it Sphatik, Rudraksh, etc., at the night, then at the night you should take out this mala before going to bed. Next morning, you can wear this mala again after showering. How to check original Sphatik? Original Sphatik is always cool when you touch it. Original Sphatik will spark when you rub it. Care. Clean only with water and a soft cloth, never soap or chemicals.